Ready to move smarter in 2025? These top moving tips will help make your next move smoother than ever. Tip 1. Book your movers early. The best movers get booked fast, especially during peak moving seasons. Planning ahead helps secure reliable service at the best price. Tip 2. Declutter before you pack. The less you move, the less you'll spend, and the less stress you'll feel. Donate, sell, or recycle items you no longer need. Tip 3. Pack smart. Wrap fragile items in towels or blankets to save on packing materials. Label boxes by room and priority to make unpacking easier. Tip 4. Compare movers on movers.com. Get free quotes from verified professionals in just minutes, saving you time and energy.